Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the MIZUNO Contender. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, and throw some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way, and I just want to take this time again to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the MIZUNO Contenders, and MIZUNO is a Japanese sportswear brand. They're renowned over there, lesser known here, but they've got a cult status here. They've got their own following here in the UK. And today we've got a look at the Contender. Now we've got this in the blue colorway. I believe it's also the indigo, but unfortunately the MIZUNO sticker label here, the labels have no indication of what colorway this is, which is a shame. But we've got this in a UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 41. And let's have a look. These are really nice sneakers. They remind me of the Air Max 1. Obviously the Air Max 1 came out in the late 80s. These MIZUNO Contenders released in 1995. And are one of the staple running sneakers for MIZUNO. But yeah, it just reminds me of an Air Max 1. So we start with the outsole, and this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got a lot of lug there, great for tread, it's great for traction, with the MIZUNO logo at the heel. Moving along onto the midsole. So this midsole unit is an EVA foam that has MIZUNO's Trans Power unit at the heel. Great for comfort, it's for your stability and overall the boost or uplift as you run, basically. We look at these uppers, and it's a blend of beautiful suedes. You find it in the blue colorway along with this gray at the laces. And at the toe box, you've got the suede mudguard. You can see the mesh underneath. The mesh completely is all over, but it's overlaid by this really nice suede. You can find it at the medial and the lateral side. Going along onto the heel counter as well. Speaking of the medial and the lateral side, so you've got MIZUNO's Runbird logo. That is here, there, and there. And you can also find it at the back stitched on at the heel counter. You got a simple lace system. There was no other color of laces, which is a shame. Nicely padded tongue with the MIZUNO M logo that's at the corner. The insole is a nice gel insole. Obviously it's there for the comfort of the underside of your foot. And that wraps up my review. So I can't wait to try these on. These are going to be the first time I'm going to try any MIZUNOs on, so I'm really excited about that. And they boast great heritage over there in Japan, and I'm all about Japanese fashion, so roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I suggest you get a half size up. Even though I'm a UK size 7.5, these feel a bit too tight. My toe is right there and the tip top, but the underside feels really cushioned. I cannot understand why these were built for running. These give me a lot of the Air Max 1 vibes though, just looking at the cuts of the leather of the suede, I mean. But yeah, these do look really dope on though. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. And until next time, peace.